Hey guys, welcome back to DeFi Passive Income. So today we are going to take a look over Lucky777. Now those of you who don't know about these types of projects, these are the new trend in town. So how I see this type of protocol is that this is a combination of two types of protocol. First, it is auto staking and auto compounding protocol because you earn rebases every 30 minutes and it provides a daily ROI of 2.48% just from the rebases alone. Now secondly, it is also a BNB miner according to me, because when you deposit your BNB in there, you cannot withdraw them as it is. The only way you can get them back is through the daily rewards. But unlike miners where you can withdraw on the 7th day, but in this protocol you can withdraw 1% each day. So this is the beauty of this protocol. So this is Lucky777 protocol. It is an auto staking lock to earn protocol with 777,000% APY. Now the KYC has been done by Veritas and the audit has been done by Aegis. So if you deposit $100 into this project, then after 12 months you can earn up to $777,000 worth of 777 tokens. Now keep in mind that this is not constant, this is just an estimate, because in crypto everything goes up and down. So the differentiating factor in this protocol from all the others, auto staking and auto compounding protocol, is that there is an anti-dump lock mechanism in place which only allows the sales limit of 1 to 5% per day of the total tokens that you hold. So which translates to a crashless, healthy chart with a steady growth. So now what this means, suppose if you deposit $100, you can withdraw $1 each day. And if you deposit $200, then you can cash out $2 each day. Now keep in mind that you are also earning rebase rewards per day, so your initial capital is growing every day. So your daily 1% cash rewards are also growing. Now coming over to their tokenomics, their buy tax is 10% and their sale tax is 19%. Now 2% of it goes to automatic LP and 4% of it goes to Lucky Insurance Fund and 4% goes to the treasury. Okay, so now coming over to their DApp, and I will show you guys my account, how much Lucky7 tokens I'm holding right now. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so coming over to the dashboard, as you can see, the website is really beautiful. The UI is very unique and it gives it a casino type feel. And I always appreciate a good UI in a project. So right now the market cap is 20 million. We are still early in the project. We have launched like 3 days ago. Now coming over to my account, I had only invested $15 into this project and right now they are worth over $81. Now I know I have invested very little into this project, but the reason behind that is I have invested over $200 into the project called LockPay, which came out few days before this. So I have invested $200 into that, and right now those $200 are worth $2 into that project. So yeah, it's really heartbreaking when you see your initial capital of $200 goes down to $2 in just one day. So that's why I decided to play it safe with Lucky7. But I regret my decision so badly, because if I had invested $200 into Lucky7, now they would be worth approximately $500 or $600. So yeah, that's the risk you are willing to take in crypto. Only invest that you can afford to lose. So I am really happy with how this Lucky7 project turned out. Now I am thinking to put $100 more into this project, because I really like the community and the developers are super talented and helpful in their Discord community. They are very transparent with their actions and decisions and take community vote when needed. They have fixed all the plot holes of the LockPay contract and ironed out all the small stuffs that needed to be ironed out. So yeah guys, this is it. I think this project is really good and it is here to stay for the long run. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed the content, please do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more future videos like this.